There have been 8 drug overdose deaths in La Crosse County in just the first 4 months of 2016. That's according to the county's medical office. And a roundtable hosted by Wisconsin Senator Tammy Baldwin is looking at the growing opioid and heroin epidemic. News 8's Eric Jacobson was there and now joins us with what the experts are saying.
Martha, officials from law enforcement, the medical field, and treatment experts expressed their concern about the growing drug problem with Senator Baldwin at today's forum. And while each brought up different ideas, they all agree that more needs to be done to stop the epidemic.
I view the opioid and heroin epidemic as a crisis, as an emergency.
Voices from multiple perspectives provided accounts Tuesday for Senator Baldwin on the effects of the drug crisis in the community.
Given the stigma that is connected to heroin addiction, to prescription drug addiction, those conversations sometimes don't start in communities.
One of the biggest concerns raised at the roundtable was increasing the amount of treatment programs in the area.
Well, the treatment and diversion programs, it's another name for that, have shown some promising results in terms of people not returning back to their drug use, but we know that funding is somewhat limited for that.
Expanding funding for those treatment programs is something Senator Baldwin thinks is necessary.
There we are truly talking about dollars and resources to be able to have comprehensive treatment at a time when somebody is open to seeking it.
Doctors from Gunderson also spoke on improving the prescription drug monitoring program, particularly across state lines.
So that way you can't get prescriptions from multiple providers, make it easy for a provider to look up and figure out how many you're getting and where you're getting them from.
I believe there's a federal role to play in better coordinating those databases so that we can keep more people safe.
Despite the problem, Baldwin says the collaboration between these local agencies will go a long way in getting drugs off the streets.
The people who are dealing with this epidemic in various facets are talking together and are problem solving together, and that it's making a difference.
Another concern brought up by some at the roundtable was the Affordable Care Act. Despite some people getting covered, experts are concerned that insurance companies are not covering enough when it comes to treatment options, some of which cost in the thousands of dollars.
Thanks a lot, Eric. And Senator Baldwin also announced her VA reforms regarding opioid abuse were being included in a larger legislative package on Capitol Hill.